In this video, I will be showing you how to set your Roblox privacy settings, error code 533. First thing to do is to search for your Roblox and open file location. So right click and open file location again. Now find Roblox Studio. So once you find Roblox Studio, you have to right click and tap troubleshoot compatibility. Click this one and kindly tap this run this program as an administrator. Now click apply, and then after that log in your Roblox account and then go to the gear icon or the settings. Tap this one here, and then after that you have to check and go to your privacy and make sure that account restrictions are disabled. And when it comes to communication, everything, first one should be set as default, and then who can chat or message me, make sure that you choose friends or everyone. And then once you're done with this, you can go to the three dots at the top right corner and then go to settings. Now here you have to find the privacy and security and click this security and make sure that for safe browsing, you select the standard protection. It detects and warns you about dangerous events when they happen. And then after that, by doing this, it can help fix error code 533. So all you have to do is to follow this one. And then after that, go to clear browsing data, go to cookies and other site data, and make sure that you remove this for the last 7 days or more. It's up to you. Now tap this clear data. Exit and go to firewall and network protection, and then tap this allow an app through firewall. Now all you have to do is to search for Google Chrome here and make sure that private and public are checked. Once done, click OK and then exit. Last thing to do is to go to temporary files and make sure that you delete temporary files here. So all you have to do now is to click this temporary files and delete some temporary files on your desktop. This could be one of the easier way on how to fix this Roblox error code 533. Others remain unchecked. Just check temporary files only. And then after that, go up and click this remove. As easy as that. So remove files. Before I finish this, make sure also that your internet or your computer is not connected to any VPN. It can cause errors, it can make your internet slower, or it can make your desktop slower too. So in that way, you can fix Roblox error code 533. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.